course, same course. Got the seats and the console thing out of here, but I couldn't get the bolts out of here, so I'm gonna have to grind those out. This is totally gross. I've actually cleaned up some of the dirt, if you can believe it. So my plan with the floor here is just take this whole bottom out. So I think what I'm gonna do is just pull all of this up everywhere, clean up the metal, and put down a polyurethane textured stuff. Oh, one other thing. Found this. I pulled off the footwell molding piece. It was just barely hanging on, but it looks like somebody tried to jack the van up on the frame here, or on the body panel rather, instead of going to a jack point. So you can see how it goes down and then it comes up pretty significantly and then goes back right down into the wheel well there, and it just got pushed up. I might try a few things. I don't know if I'll go too far with that. This is the headlight connector. I did go ahead and I went and bought a new one of these. I don't like the fact that there's all these wire splices in here. So all of this stuff right here is just, you know, it was spliced into in weird ways. I don't know what they were doing. I don't know why it is the way it is. It's very bizarre. There's like these just ends of these wires just sitting here. So this whole thing, I think this whole plug should come out. Oh, just like that. I think I'm just gonna pull all this out because I really want to figure out what they've done with the wiring back there. Oh man, that's broken. Oh man, I wish I had seen that. That's a bummer. That is the shifter selector. It's just a clip, I think. But that is totally broken. The onion peeling continues. right. I've done a preliminary pressure wash on the inside. It's looking much better. I can see paint, which is great. I did do a little bit of degreaser in here, but I ran out. I have more coming, so I will be doing another degrease and rinse. I'm gonna leave the doors open tonight and let this just dry out, and hopefully by tomorrow afternoon when I come out here, I'll have the cleaners that I want to use. I have a little bit of rust remover, rust reformer stuff. I want to kind of treat some of these bolts and some of this rust down here just to kind of take care of that before I apply the bed liner. Anyway, all right, I think for the rest of the night, I'm just going to do some start getting things cleaned up so that I can do that. Anyway, I'll bring you back.